Okay, so for this research project, my aim is to study social networking sites, particularly Facebook and Twitter, and I want to see if I can, discover patterns of inequality amongst the users. One of the authors that we're going to be reading, Manuel Castel, the author of The Rise of the Network Society, he argues that the internet has broken down barriers of economic and social stratifications. And on the discussions that we've had in the readings that we have read in class, we were exposed to the various inequalities that emerge from internet access and the way it has occurred with any other commodity such as food and clean drinking water, etc. We came to the conclusion that the internet is being introduced into a society that already has inequalities, and so therefore we should not be surprised that there is unequal uh, access of the internet amongst people in our society. Furthermore, we see that the internet is a tool of the privileged in the educated classes, although we see this changing a little bit. However, access does not necessarily mean equality of means and outcomes for all. Even with access, people are still at a disadvantage. For example, it has been noted that blacks and Latinos are at a disadvantage because of the way they use this tool, which creates a digital divide. They mainly have to rely on their phone for accessing the internet and applying for jobs through the phone, which is a difficult task. Also, it is known that these ethnic groups are more inclined to use the internet for entertainment purposes as opposed to using it for relevant information, job job hunting, or enhancing their skills by using it as an educational enhancer. It has also been noted that African Americans are more likely to use Twitter as opposed to Facebook, and that through data mining, it has been observed that they are more likely to follow celebrities and focus on entertainment as opposed to other groups. These are the patterns that I want to look further into. I am interested in looking at the uses of the internet from the point of view of different ethnic groups, which in itself is a way of looking at it from different class viewpoints. I am interested into looking to see whether social networking sites have really broken down the barriers of access because of the ability to network with others and share information, which allows people to find a job, read relevant news articles, etc. I am also interested in seeing whether social networking sites in the internet in general has led to ethnic groups and classes, whether they remain clustered or as they do in real life, or whether we see a diffusion within cyberspace.